You've seen the power of TikTok and you know it works, but how do you make it work without spending all your time on an app making videos? I'm going to show you. First, if you're here because you want all the tips to grow your real estate business while still having an amazing net life, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we do this every week. My name is Alisia Krastel and let's go. In this video, you're going to learn what your strategy can be to get you referrals from TikTok the most simple way with the least amount of time. I've seen these exact strategies work with other agents as well as myself, who has definitely closed TikTok referral deals. You'll have the 5 strategies to best help you build your TikTok and get those referrals. And I'm going to include in there 4 TikTokers I think you can emulate your business after and have huge success. Number 1 is you don't have to worry about having a gazillion followers and going viral. The mission with TikTok is to create videos that attract your ideal client by solving problems for them and them getting to know you. On TikTok, more than any other, context is king. You're showing that you're an amazing agent and the expert in the area because you're going to do videos on local places, on things you like to do, on the market, and the context very small, specific on where you are. Start with 1 video a day. To make it easier, let's just rotate the topics out. Personal, local and something you love or don't like, and real estate specific. I show you in this video exactly how to make a TikTok step by step from scratch if you want to know how to do it. Once you've recorded your TikTok, you're going to use hashtags that are relevant to your area and your industry. When you type the hashtag in, it is going to tell you how many times people have looked for it. You don't want to do ones that have had 40 million billion looks, right? Because that's too saturated. Try to get ones that are 1 million and under. Despite what people say about wanting to go viral and how it can impact your business, being viral causes a lot of problems, and while it can be great, you do not need to go viral to have huge success on TikTok. Which leads me to number 2 is follow people who have already shown you success on TikTok. And I'm going to show you my 4 favorite to get an idea. One of my favorite TikTokers, especially to get local real estate referrals, is Ken Osowitz out of Southwest Florida. He's about a year or so in the business, and look at the following that he has on TikTok. He makes content that's local, like I suggested. He has a casual feel about him, and he's very direct, informational, and makes videos that are very easily shared, information that I'd want to take and hold on to or share with my friend that might be moving there. I've talked to Ken and his pipeline is looking sweet, and he said how fun it is to actually have people reaching out to him instead of having to make cold calls. Note that each of these creators are responding and commenting back to their viewers who comment on their videos. Myrtle Beach Courtney is another one who's has social media supplying a lot of her real estate business. She takes you on her real estate life into houses, showing you the different areas of Myrtle Beach, what it's like personally to live in Myrtle Beach and in the outskirts, and also who she is. She talks about being a mom and life's journey. So she's connected and she's got the evidence of success. Notice evidence of success in these are not just sold, just listed. They are context. It's information they know. They are the expert in knowing the little details in these communities. Selling More is another TikTok creator you could emulate with great success. She's near the Fort Bragg area and has rocked her rookie year with $8 million in closed sales, and much of it was because of her social media presence and especially TikTok. The other creator I want to mention is Mike Corbett. You notice all 4 of these will have totally different styles and methods of delivery, and depending on what you like, you could emulate one over the other. Mike is very raw, and he also has this edited feel to his videos because he does more on the back end with producing and editing the videos, which is amazing. Check out this one where he jumps over the house, and he makes it seem so simple. Even though they're all very different, they're all having major success with relatively small followings, which is really what I want to make sure you understand. You don't need to have 50,000, 100,000 followers or 1 million followers to get referrals. I mean, it's the same way on YouTube. It's the same thing. Let me know your TikTok handle if you have one and you're on TikTok so I can check your profile and account out. Number 3 is your profile. Where is your profile linking to? That is a very big space you can use to really get referrals and cement relationships, get people connected to your other social media platforms. TikTok has the ability to link straight to Instagram and straight to YouTube directly in the app. You can also do Linktree or any other service, even on Canva, with a bio link and put in where you want these people to go. right? What do you want people to see when they click on your link, and have them go there so you maximize that opportunity. This could include a link to schedule a call with you directly for a buyer or seller consultation. Number 4 is interacting and engaging with the people who comment and your followers. If they've commented on your video, do your best to comment back and engage them. And also look around at who you'd like your ideal client to be. Find them on TikTok and engage them, following them. Find local businesses that you want to interact with. Not all of them are on TikTok, and not a lot of realtors are engaging them on TikTok. So that could be a great relationship for you and referrals in the future. Some of the creators that I mentioned have 2,000 and 3,000 followers, and they've done tons of business for TikTok. It is not about the quantity, like the quality is in the quantity. That is not the case in TikTok. The quality is in the quality. The comments are so important because you're developing this relationship, and TikTok has helped you find people who are local and the most like you. So your ability to converse with them, because referrals come from conversations, is huge. Number 5 is TikTok Live. Don't be scared though. You can arrange it to be a very specific time and schedule it. Mine are at Wednesdays at 3 p.m. Eastern. You could do it short, 30 minutes, possibly up to an hour. And so you don't go on, you're like, I don't know what I'm going to talk about. Have something a little bit pre-planned about what you want to say about the market. Who cares if anyone's on there? Who cares if no one comes at all? The point is that you're doing the live, and not only will people see the live button come up if they're following you and they're on TikTok, even if they don't come, you're getting this information out even if they just stop by for 30 seconds. The little bubble with your name is very effective for branding, which also happens with comments too. Whenever you like or comment anything on TikTok, people see your little face every single time. So your first live, I'll give you a topic idea. It could be on buying and selling a house at the same time. What are the solutions that you could do? And you could talk through those solutions and possibilities on the live, regardless of who's watching, but you also might get people asking questions about that process. It gives you a jumping point. Another topic you could focus your lives on is upgrades that sellers can skip that aren't needed in this market, things that they don't need to do and that could save them money. You're connecting, you're giving evidence of success, and you're also pulling people who have selling at the tip of their mind, and you're just catching them right when they're thinking about it. It's piquing their interest. If you're all in and you want to know more about how to make a TikTok and the videos that you should make, check out the TikTok playlist. And hit the subscribe button so I can help you grow your business.